Hwang Hee-chan just about gets the ball beyond Galini, who went the wrong way. Got a hand to it there, Galini, but could not keep it out. Wolves lead in the shootout. And Galini, having guessed the right way, cannot believe it. First up for Spurs is Harry Kane. Well, Kane has been getting stick from the Wolves supporters all night. He got the goal for 2-0 in the game itself. And now from 12 yards. Buries it. Wonderful penalty. Ruddy went in the right direction. But Kane beats him. They actually played together at Norwich City when Kane was on loan there many years ago. And Kane rifled that one past him. So João Moutinho will step up now. And Galini did save a Cristiano Ronaldo penalty while he was playing in Serie A with Atalanta. But he can get nowhere near this one from Moutinho. Well into the corner, 2-1. So Reguilon, and I don't think he touched the ball after coming on. Introduced right to the end of added time, presumably for this scenario. Reguilon to level the shootout, which he does. That's a splendid spot kick from Reguilon. No stopping that from the Spanish international. Brilliantly taken. Ruben Neves, who has scored a penalty against Spurs before in a Premier League game at Molineux a few years back. So reliable normally from 12 yards, Ruben Neves. Oh, but it's over. It's a woeful kick. And it opens the door for Spurs here. Hit the bar as well. Into the closing stages of the match itself. But it's well over from Ruben Neves. No real mind game stuff here from John Ruddy. With some brilliant saves. He denied Brian Hill superbly in that second half. Hill, oh, what a kick. Great stuff. Spurs lead for the first time, 3-2. Came at the ball from an unusual angle, but look at the technique to smack that into the top corner. And while Brian Hill still waits for his first official goal for Spurs, that was a nice moment as Neves rues his miss. Leander Dendoncker scored in the game, but he's kept out by Galini. The Italian gets down to it, and Spurs can now win the shootout. Well saved by Galini, looking to make himself a hero tonight. Pierre-Emile Højbjerg, who did miss one at Euro 2020 with Denmark. But here he is for Spurs, off the bench. Højbjerg, denied by Ruddy. Guessed the right way, and Wolves have a lifeline. Well, Spurs know and knew they just needed to convert one of their last two kicks. Wasn't the best penalty from Højbjerg. Connor Cody, the captain, number 5 on the list for Wolves. And Connor Cody must score. The Wolves captain honours an early first half substitute. Does not score it. And Spurs are through to the next round of the Carabao Cup. Wolves missed 3 penalties, including one saved by Pierluigi Collini. A special night for him, but it is Spurs who march on. Wolves gave them a fright, fought back from 2-0 to draw 2-2 in 90 minutes. But Spurs win the shootout in Molineux. And those fans who've made the journey from North London will return home happy. Into the 4th round of the Carabao Cup. It finishes Wolves 2, Spurs 2 after 90 minutes. Spurs win the shootout.